In this lesson, we will discuss chapter number 3, integration exercise 3.2, question 2, part 8. And the question is, we have to integrate natural log of x multiplied by 1 over x dx. Right, so here function is given and as well as the derivative of the function is also available. Here I will show you first. I will explain you something before going to start. So see here I said this log of x is the function, and this f dash x or f prime x, this is multiplication, this is the derivative of the log of x is also available. But here you have to decide whether you want to take this one as a function or this one as a function. If we will take this 1 over x as a function, then this should be the derivative of this, but this is not the derivative, this is the integral of 1 over x. So in this case we have to take log of or natural log of x as a function, because the derivative of f of x, that is natural log of x, is available. So how we integrated, this is the function and the derivative is also available. So whatever is the power of the function, you have to add 1 and then you have to divide it by the new exponent plus c. So here we will follow the same process, natural log of x, and this is the derivative of natural log of x. So this is our function. So log of x, the power or exponent is 1, we have to add 1 here. The new exponent is 1 plus 1, constant of integration, which is equal to natural log of x, this is x square divided by 2 plus c. How simple it is, right? But the trick is that you should know which one you have to take as a function, and always keep in mind there should be the derivative of the function as well. If you still have any question, you can ask me, and thanks for watching.